Everybody has past memories, and with these memories, we create the narratives of our lives. Most of us are fortunate to have past memories that are mostly joyous and filled with happiness. Tainted Freedom, a short film, tells the story of Themba, a former Tibetan political prisoner living as an asylee in New York City. In this foreign land, he finds himself displaced and lives with psychological trauma. Even after living in freedom for 6 years, all the years that he has spent in Chinese prison haunts him and makes it very difficult for Themba to move on with his new life in exile. When we talk about Tibet, the narrative is so often a story of political oppression and unknown names. This short film, however, revolves around a very ordinary human being facing a very universal issue. What is freedom? Tainted Freedom is my first short narrative film. It started out as a very personal project, but it's surprising how it's grown and become a very public project. We've shown a rough cut of the film in New York City. It was very well attended, but I think more importantly, it was very well received. The film is in its post-production stages. I'm raising $5,500 through Kickstarter to bring it to life and also reach a wider audience. I assure you, every single penny that you back the film with will be channeled towards the success of this film. As a backer, you will be the first to know of all the developments and updates regarding the film. When you donate, you will also receive a bunch of great rewards that we have put together just for you. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you so much for supporting my project on Kickstarter. For more information, please visit www.taintedfreedomshortfilm.com. I'll be seeing you.